Check this out. This is one of the most useful academic skills that I've created in Claude, and it helps me analyze papers in a completely new way. Type in /EA atomic sentences to trigger the skill and then upload a paper. And Claude will go ahead and process this paper into so-called atomic sentences. This looks roughly like this. First, it will give you a brief summary of the contribution, but then it will break down the contributions of single other references referenced in this paper by sentence. So each of those sentences is like one particular building block that you can now reuse to write your own prose. So just take 5 or 6 of these writing blocks and combine them into something that can be your paragraph. Let's test this out. So I can take these 5 sentences here and ask Claude to just combine them into coherent academic writing. And you end up with something that is fairly close to an academic paragraph because it contains real references. I don't think there's any way how you can write faster and with more control when using AI. Because notice that I did not tell AI to just write about something. I gave it the exact sentences to write from. And those sentences were lifted out of a real paper, which means that they were vetted by the people and peer reviewers that contributed to this paper. I'm not encouraging you to just take these sentences and create your own writing. Use this method to combine ideas that exist with your own ideas, which also can be atomic sentences, to create novel writing that is actually unique, completely under your control, and yet builds on the shoulders of other people that came before you, just like every good academic writing should. If you want to know more about this method, then check out the link in the description below.